Welcome to our instructional video on mastering column addition with 3-digit numbers. First, align the two numbers vertically, ensuring the hundreds, the tens, and units digits are properly aligned. Next, draw a horizontal line below the second number and add the addition sign. Below the horizontal line, prepare space to write down the result of the addition. Now, let's begin with the units column. Add 7 plus 5, which equals 12. Note the 2 below the horizontal line. And since we'll need space for the tens, we can't write the 1 in that place. Instead, write the 1 representing a 10 above the other tens, above the 2. This is known as a carryover. Moving on to the tens column, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Don't forget to add the extra 10 we carried over, making it 7. Note the 7 in the tens column. Finally, in the hundreds column, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Note the 0 in the hundreds column and the carryover of 1 in the thousand column. Since there are no other digits to add in the thousands column, write the 1 in the results place. So, the calculation is complete. 827 plus 245 equals 1072. Now, let's apply the same technique to 908 plus 382. First, align the numbers vertically. Starting with the units column, 8 plus 2 equals 10. Write down 0 in the units column and carry over the 1 to the tens column. In the tens column, 0 plus 8 equals 8, plus the carried over 1 equals 9. Note the 9 in the results place. Finally, in the hundreds column, 9 plus 3 equals 12. Note the 2 in the hundreds column and carry over the 1. Write the 1 in the results place. So, 908 plus 382 equals 1290. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. Don't hesitate to subscribe for more math tutorials and continue learning with us.